Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to increase screen time in REALME. Increasing screen time in REALME typically refers to increasing battery life on one charge. You can do it quickly by going to Settings and Battery. Right here, go to Power Saving Settings, and now enable automatically exit power saving mode and automatically enter power saving mode. Next, in battery health, you can set charging limit and smart charging. In the end, you can simply switch battery mode between balanced power saving, which extends battery life about 1 hour, and super power saving mode, which reduces the functionality of the smartphone but increases the battery life up to 1 day. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.